Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. Viewers, Republic Day brings with it the responsibility of expressing our thoughts about the Constitution, democracy and the spirit of India, clearly, confidently and meaningfully. An essay written for this occasion should not feel forced or memorized. It should feel relevant, structured and impactful. In this video, I am sharing a well-organized essay on Republic Day 2026 written in a way that works not only for school examinations but also for Republic Day essay competitions, school celebrations, assemblies and special writing events. What makes this essay different is its balanced structure, simple yet mature language and flexible format. You will understand how to shape your ideas, connect important points about Republic Day, and present them in a flow that sounds natural. The same essay can be expanded, shortened, or modified depending on the competition level, word limit, or occasion. This video focuses on clarity, presentation, and originality, which are the key elements judges and teachers actually notice during Republic Day events. Watch the video till the end to understand the complete approach, and if it helps you write better, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more writing contents like this. Now let's get started with the video. Essay writing on Republic Day in English. Republic Day is one of the most important national festivals of India. It is celebrated every year on 26 January with great pride and respect. On this historic day, our country began to follow its own rules written in the Constitution. From the moment India became a republic, where the power of the nation lies in the hands of its people. The word republic means a country where there is no king or queen. Instead, the people choose their leaders. In India, citizens elect their representatives through voting. This system gives every person an equal voice, no matter who they are. Rich or poor, young or old, all are treated equally before the law. This makes our country fair, strong, and democratic. We can understand the idea of a republic through simple examples around us. In schools, where we select class monitors or team leaders, we choose them together. When we follow rules, respect our teachers, and treat our friends kindly, we practice the values taught by our Constitution. These small actions help us grow into responsible citizens. Republic Day also reminds us that freedom comes with duties. Along with enjoying our rights, we must be honest, disciplined, and caring towards others. Helping people, keeping our surroundings clean, and respecting our country are true signs of patriotism. In conclusion, Republic Day is not only a celebration but a reminder of our responsibility towards the nation. If we live by good values today, we will build a brighter and stronger India tomorrow. We should always feel proud to be Indians and work together for the progress of our country.